Hey guys, what's up? You're welcome. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple scrub that would actually scrub off all of those dead skin cells on your body and on your face. So in this method, you can actually use it on your face and on your body. Okay, it helps you a whole lot to radiate your skin, to polish up your skin, removing pigments and dark spots and equally age spots. Okay, all right guys, so without wasting any more time, let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. So guys, to scrub out those annoying dead skin cells and to reveal a brighter and more radiant and a glowing skin, I'm going to be needing to use this, and this is baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Okay, baking soda is a great remedy that helps to scrub out dead skin cells and reveal a brighter yet a more newer skin. Okay, so it helps to rejuvenate the skin and make the skin look beautiful. Okay, so you can actually use the scrub for your face and also for your body. Okay, so this is it. And then also, to make it work even better, we're going to be needing to use rice powder. You can actually use blended rice, you can actually use boiled rice. You boil your rice and then you blend it, okay, into a paste like form, or you take your dry rice just like this and blend it into a powder form. Then you have your rice powder or your rice paste. Now this is actually very amazing. You don't have to miss anything at all. Okay, so we're equally going to be putting in coconut oil. Now coconut oil is vast, it's great for the skin, it's great for the body. It helps so much to, glow your skin and moisturize it. Mixing it up with this ingredient is going to help so much to leave your skin rejuvenated, and you're going to leave your skin glowing and really beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting just about 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil into this mix, and then we'll stir it first. Okay, now to scrub out those small particles on your body and to scrub out those age-related problems, you're going to be needing to use sugar. Okay, don't mind me, I tend to mix this thing up. You're going to need to use sugar. Now because sugar has smaller granite particles, it will help so much in rejuvenating, and it will help so much to boost your skin, scrub out the dead skin cells, and it will also help to make your skin look younger, more radiant and more beautiful. So we're going to be putting as much sugar as we can get. Use as much sugar as you can use here. It's actually very important. Okay, to liquidify this, you're going to be needing to use milk. Now the lactic acid in milk helps so much to leave your skin glowing. It helps to leave your skin looking like that of a baby skin, soft, and it helps to make your skin really plump. Okay, so we're going to be needing a little bit of the milk, and now we're going to stir and mix this together. and this is great, guys. Okay guys, so the last but not the least ingredient is this, and this is potato. Now potato helps so much to reduce fine lines, it helps to remove age spot, it helps for pigment, and it also helps to remove all unwanted blemishes like dark spots and age spots. Okay, all right, so after doing that, we're going to be cutting this. And then we're going to be putting just a little water so it could enable the blending process. And then we're going to blend it. Okay, so this is it. So after blending that, we are going to be turning that into the mix, and then I'm going to mix it up. I say everything. Okay guys, so this is it, and since you're going to be scrubbing your body, your face, your leg, everywhere, I'm going to be starting with my hand. Sorry. Now you have to make sure that this is mud on your body. Yep. And make the consistency a little thick enough so that it can actually stay while you scrub, because you need to scrub out those dead skin cells. You need to scrub out those dark knuckles. I need to scrub out those blemishes, those pigments, that stuff that is actually making you look super duper old. You need to rub this and scrub it out. Okay, it is ideal you scrub out your hands, because you know, we ladies, we love to slay, baby. We love to look beautiful, we love to look really supple, we love to represent, we love to hot like fire. Okay, so you have to make your hands really soft, so that when you want to shake your person, your hand is going to be so soft that he's going to get confused. You know what I mean? Okay, so you scrub your hand, you scrub and scrub very well, and you scrub your leg. Okay, for those people that their leg are actually darker than their body, use this to scrub your leg. Okay, you're gonna be loving it, trust me, you are going to be loving it. So this is it, and go use this at least 2 times to 3 times in a week. Scrub out those dead skin cells and have your skin looking rejuvenated, glowing and beautiful. Okay, so that's it. I actually scrub out my hands, okay, because I wasn't able to just stand up as at that time, yeah. But you can just use to scrub out all of your body, your face and everywhere, and it does a whole lot in radiating your skin. It unclog your clogged pores, and it makes your skin radiate, okay, which makes your skin look younger. All right guys, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.